Today we'll discuss about finding square root of a perfect square by long division method. Let's see an example. The first number is 3481 and we paired the number from right to left, that is 81 and 34. The first pair is 34. Since we see the table here, 5 square is 25 and 6 square is 36 and the number is 34. Since 25 is less than 34 but 36 is greater than 34, so we take 5 square. 5 square is 25, so here we write 5 and here 5. 5 square is 5 into 5, 25, and we subtract 34 minus 25 equal to 9, and we write this pair, that is the pair is 81. Here we write 81. Second step is we just double it, that is 5 into 2 is 10. Now it is 2-digit number and this number is 2-digit is 98. Now we divide 98 by 10. Let's see the division. 98 by 10. 10 nines are 90. 8 is remainder and 9 is quotient. Here quotient is 9. And hence here we write 9. And here also 9. Now we multiply 109 by 9. 109 into 9 equal to 981. And hence 981, and here is also 981. 981 minus 981 is 0. And hence the required answer is 59. And so we write square root of 3481 equal to 59. This is the answer. Let's see second example. Here it is a 5 digits number. The process is same. First step is we just pair from right to left, that is 29, 15 and 1. Here the number is 1 and see the table. 1 square is 1. So here we write here 1 and here 1. 1 into 1 is 1. Second step, we just write at first 1 minus 1 is 0. So here we write just this pair, that is 51. And here is 1. We double it, that is 1 into 2, which is 2. Again, it is 1-digit number and it is 1-digit number. Now we divide 5, divide by 2. Let's see the division. 5 divide by 2, 2 2s are 4. So here 1 is remainder and 2 is quotient. So we write the quotient, that is here the quotient is 2. So here we write 2 and here is also 2. And process is same. The number is 22 and this is 2. Now 22 into 2 equal to 44. 44. 51 minus 44 is 7. And we write the pair, that is 29. Now this number is 12. We double it. 12 into 2, that is 24. Again, it is 2-digit number and we take 2-digit. 72 divide by 24, which is 3. So here we write 3 and here is also 3. And the process is same. This number is 243 and this number is 3. So we multiply 243 by 3, which equal to 729 and hence cancel. And so answer is 15,129 equal to 123. Square root of 15,129 equal to 123. This is the answer. Let's see another example. It is 6-digit number. The process is same. We just paired it from right to left, 96, 24, 13. Now, let's see the table. The number is 13 and we have to find the perfect square number. The perfect square number here, 3 square is 9 and 4 square is 16. But the number was 13. Since 13 is less than 16, so we have to take 3 square. 3 square is 9. So here we write 3 square, 3 into 3, which is 9. 13 minus 9 is 4. We write this square, that is 24. Same process, 3 into 2, 6. Here, this is 6, 1-digit number. It is 4. But 4 is less than 6. So we take 2-digit number. 42 divided by 6. What is the quotient? 42 divided by 6 is 7. So at first we write here 7 and here also 7. Here, so the number becomes, this is 67 and it is 7. 67 into 7, if we multiply 67 into 7, then the number is 469. But here the number is 424. So 469 is greater than 424. We have to take the smaller number. So here we write 6. Since 6 is less than 7, so here we write 6. 6 and here was also 6. And same process, 66 into 6, which is 396, and subtract 424 minus 396, which is 28, and again we write it, the number is 96. Now 36 into 2 is 72, and here is 72 and it is 2-digit number, and it is 2-digit number is 28. So 28, since 28 is less than 72, so we take 3-digit number. That is, we divide, let's see the division, 289 by 72. Let's see the division. 289 by 72. 72 into 4 is 288. So here 4 is quotient, and hence we write 4. We write here 4, and here is also 4, and hence we multiply 724 by 4. 724 into 4 is 2896. These two are same. Let's cancel. This is 0, and hence required answer is square root of 1,32,496 equal to 364. This is the answer. Hope you can understand this process. Thanks for watching.